Sapat na ba ang 7 to 9 hours of sleep? To be more specific, sapat na ba ay makakuha ka lang ng 7 to 9 hours? In some studies, 7 to 9 hours talaga ang sleep ng isang adult. Yun dapat ang makuha mo every day. And hindi lang dapat 7 to 9 hours ang magiging strict sa'yo. It should be regular. So, ibig sabihin, kung natulog ka ng around 8 o'clock ng gabi, dapat everyday dapat 8 o'clock ng gabi din ang tulog mo. That way, ma-regulate ng maayos ang katawan mo in terms of resetting the normal function including blood pressure, balance in hormones, resetting your body clock, as well as resetting your metabolism. You should always take into consideration the quality of sleep depending on kung gaano kahimbing ang pagtulog mo. Wala ka bang mga pagkakataon na nagigising ka sa gabi dahil gusto mong maihi or nauuhaw ka, bigla kang uubo or ginising ka ng asawa mo or kapitbahay. So, the quality of sleep is also important. Kasi, syempre, you want to wake up in the morning na refresh. Kumbaga, maaliwalas ang pakiramdam. Kasi kung hindi quality ang sleep mo, gising mo parang pagod pa rin ang pakiramdam mo. Now, the connection between uninterrupted quality sleep with overall health, malaking bagay yan. It resets your blood pressure, so it helps in controlling hypertension. It also regulates your hormones in terms of your insulin or melatonin, and most of the time, your body repairs itself when you sleep. Kaya importante na makatulog ka ng 7 to 9 hours, quality, and a regular sleeping pattern. Yun na naman, ingat. Good night!